The Mplus card is the honest starting point for custom .inf workflows. Before writing syntax, first check whether AI4Meta has a real Mplus executable to call. Here Mplus is not ready. That is a useful result, not a failure of the tutorial. It tells the learner to fix the binary path and license locally before dispatching any .inf file. The override field is where an admin can enter the real Mplus binary path. Probe refreshes discovery after installation. Do not paste license files, serial numbers, or private model inputs into the public tutorial. If Mplus is still unavailable, teach the boundary. Prepare the .int safely, export or hand off to a licensed machine, then re-import outputs with provenance. Never fabricate an Mplus result.